Hello everyone, welcome to the second section of document editing. Let's get started. Chapter is a very important concept in Word documents. In terms of chapter, section, and point, the format of these contents all has certain requirements. As a content system, WPS Word has a default format that can help you. Below the Home tab, we can see the format of normal and heading 1, 2, 3. They have a certain level of logic. Title 1 is the chapter title. Title 2 is the title of the subsection under the chapter. Title 3 is the title of points under the section. After entering the text, click heading 1 to set the format of chapter title. For section title or point title, select heading 2 and heading 3. After setting, click View to check navigation pane. In this way, the content of this document will be clear. In Word documents, we often add numbers to chapters after formatting them. Using automatic numbering can greatly improve efficiency. So how to add automatic numbering? Go back to the Home tab, select the first 3 rows. Click the Number button and More Numbering. Select Outline Numbered and choose the style you like. Then each level of chapter will generate numbers automatically. If you cannot find the numbering you want, you can click Custom List. In View Navigation pane, we can clearly view the document structure. This is the end of this section. Thanks for listening.